All right, I'm going to teach you how to count how many different employees you've got, and I'm going to show you the difference why some people's formulas don't show right. They can't get it to count. Let me show you the first formula that I created. Look at what it says. Let's do this one first. You see what it says? Count C5, that's this column right here. And it says C5, so start here and count all the way to C98. How come it's 0? It's because when you use this, anytime there's letters of the alphabet that's included in it, go ahead and use count A. You see where it says? Count A, not just count. You see what it's got? We started using it from the column B, this right here. If I came back and you'd say, well, yeah, wait a minute, this is the column C. That's right. If I change this formula right here to A, you see the difference? It'll come out correctly. Now, if you're counting numbers right here in this column, look at the difference. This, it will work. You can go ahead and use count without the A. You see the difference? You see? Because you don't need, watch. You see? You don't need count A on here. If you want to put it, that's fine. But most of the people know count. And it will work as long as it's counting numbers. That's the difference.